So welcome back everyone. Last year I made a video saying that all the motorcycles above 125cc is going to get ABS as standard from 2019, and the Royal Enfield community was eagerly waiting the updation of the Royal Enfield standard 350, and Royal Enfield has finally updated the standard 350. So in this video you are going to see the standard 350 ABS. But before going to the video, if you are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a video. So here is the updated standard 350 ABS for you, and first of all I'll show you here from different angles, and let me see if we can spot the differences. So after that I'll tell you what are the updations, and then I'll tell you the on-road price of this updated standard 350. So it looks pretty the same, when you look from different angles, it looks pretty the same. So the first noticeable change is the addition of a disc brake at the front and the ABS, and you can see the ABS sensor over there and the ABS marking on both the forks. Another major change is they have removed the ammeter and replaced with a fuel indicator and ABS indicator. That's the speed sensor for the rear wheel. I forgot to mention that it's a single channel ABS, and you find the drum brake on the rear wheel. And those are the main modifications, and it's powered by the very same 350cc single cylinder engine. So the on-road price for this motorcycle is 1.42 lakhs on road in Kollam, Kerala. So that's it. If you like this video, please do share with your friends, and thank you very much for watching.